Alright, so I'm going to be soaking the top of the carburetor in some acid, ammonia and water. 2 parts ammonia, 1 part water. We're going to use this little container. I'm just going to draw this out somewhere along these lines. Something like that. Just take a little knife.
Come on, buddy.
And cut this.
Put your knife in a little bit.
Yeah, there you go.
See where just the tip sticks out, and then set it on the bench where your hand's not behind it.
Okay.
And there, cut away from your hand. Not too bad.
Grab your ammonia and some water. There's going to be 2 parts ammonia for every 1 part of water. So we're going to do 2 cups of ammonia and 1 cup of water. That's a big cup, it seems like. Okay, so there's 1 cup of ammonia. Don't really want to breathe this stuff in, you might pass out. Alright, 2 cups of ammonia. Put the lid on this bad boy. Put them over here. You're gonna get your water. And go 1 cup of water. Alright. You know what I didn't do? I didn't see if the top of the carburetor would actually fit in this thing. Yeah. Go ahead and just make sure it's all thoroughly mixed together. You want to make sure your container is big enough for it. So in my situation, it can't soak, but yeah, we'll go ahead and grab some eyeglasses and an old toothbrush. Alright, so now that we have our gloves and our glasses, we're ready to clean the car. No, you can see that, but see how it's silver and this side's black. Just haven't cleaned that side yet. Nice, nice. Whew. Yeah, you want to make sure you're in an area with good ventilation. Or you will probably pass out. Give me a nice little dipper in there when you're in. So right here is pretty clean. So just focus on the inside. Okay, so after a while, your brush actually gets full of caca nasties, and the place where you've cleaned will actually start to get even dirtier. So every now and then, you might want to grab a new toothbrush. Look.
Just clean that. Here. Wipe it out on a paper towel.
Or clean it, yeah.
No, just yeah.
Just clean it out. Just like that. Good to go.
Alright, I gotta run this buffer. Hang on.
Dad, do you have a wire brush?
I might. Let's go over here and look. These orifices are open.
Yeah.
They're
Well,
clean.
you just started there.
That's alright.
Okay. Okay.
Working on the heater.
So, you take yourself a little Scotch-Brite pad and then cut it into a little strip and then pinch it with some hemostats, and now you got a little thing you can get the little extra spots. So like right inside here. So here's get on that bad boy. A little chilly.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and blow this out. Probably shouldn't have submerged it, but you know, this isn't like an all-knowing channel. This is just two guys working on cars, and then we get some hindsight once in a while and decide, oh, we should probably do this different. So take this little baffle thing out here. All right, Ben. It'll be all right. Take those out and blow them off.
The air compressor?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's on really strong, so be careful.
Yeah.
We're gonna dry these components out. This is the heater. It's got bimetal strip in here, and then electrical heater in here. Heats up, and it opens. This coil turns, and it opens up the choke. It's pretty cool. Actually, probably turns this way. So we're gonna blow these out. Make sure they're clean. Okay, I got a little carburetor cleaner on here. I'm just gonna wipe this off.
Chili.
Alright, let's put it together, dude.
1 second. My hand is cold.
Okay, I know. It's winter time. And evaporation. Alright, so this was in here. This little guy's spring loaded. Let's kind of pump him out. Where's that tri-flow at? Is that in the car? Alright, we'll be right back. And we'll drop oil on him. Yeah. So one little drop in there. Drop in there. It just seems to me like, well, this is just going to be happier if it can move. And you can do it or not do it. Don't care. It's my car. And this is what I'm doing. I've got a couple of bugs. They run just fine, so let's shoot a little bit of water out of this little thing right here. A little bit of water come out. So there's a vacuum line through here, and it whenever you accelerate, when it's idle, it's over here. When you accelerate, it lets off and opens that choke up. Kind of an ingenious little idea. Alright. This will be keyed. So there's a little, kind of like a couple little ridges here. And this is going to go in until it drops into nest in there. It's all the way down. Take our heater. Let me wipe this a little bit off here. A little stuff on it. It's pretty clean, but it's got some stuff on it. Alright. Dog found some sunshine. Goes in here. Now there's a little tick on here, this little dot. Let me find you. I always start there in the middle, and then if you need more choke to stay on longer, then you move it. I think in this case, if you want the choke to stay on longer, you push it in the direction of the choke. This is a closed choke, open choke. You guys all know that. Alright, here we go. There are 3 spacers on this this little keeper. Okay, so we got our dot. Just tighten them down until they stop. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and pop this open and have a look inside.
Okay, now this is under some compression, so we're gonna put the towel down. Grab your screwdriver and you put it, and then you
Keep your eyes out.
pop goes the weasel.
Alright.
Ooh, and that is still bubbling. Okay, so it's
fizzing. I did not know that it would fizzle.
Yeah, I didn't know it'd pop that like that either.
Yeah, it popped pretty hard.
My hand right there can still. Okay, so we'll just.
Yeah. That's good to
lift
know.
this out.
Let's see why it's fizzing. Ooh, that's pretty clean.
Oh yeah.
Let me get another towel.
So here we have our carburetor.
Set it right here.
And then
Okay.
we have a tray of parts.
Yeah, just kind of tap that off. I need another towel. I don't want you setting them down in the dirt over here.
And these, yeah, just cleaned it okay.
You could actually throw them in that water next to you.
Yeah, so we have some nice warm water, a little bit of soap in there. I don't know if water's bad for this.
For what?
This. Oh,
I don't know. Don't get your hands wet.
it's pretty clean.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's very shiny and like
Where's your brush?
nice.
Let's clean your brush off.
Water.
Water awake?
Yeah.
Nice.
So here we have it.
Okay, here you go, Scooby-Doo. Gonna give everything kind of a brush and let's see what's happening. Hey, sweetie.
Oh, yeah, this stuff just comes right off now. Wow. So I don't know if you can see, but see the parts where it's black? I'm just gonna give it like one little sweep, couple little sweeps, and bam, they're gone. Right here. Let's see. Right there. Couple of wipes. It's gone. That stuff doesn't smell too bad, and we didn't have to worry about like respirators and all that jazz. So just gonna give it a quick little. That's a little loose. Oh, tore my glove. Give it a quick little rinse. Quick little scrub too.
Hey, get more junk out or what?
Yeah. Everything comes off super easy now. Just
Yeah.
one scrub and it's gone.
You'll have to go out and blow it out.
Yeah.
And
See,
see
like
like
that
these
black
little
spot?
holes and stuff right here. You're gonna have to blow all that.
It doesn't survive. Like, see what? Like dip tools and stuff in there.
All right.
Look how clean
Let
that
me look at it. Just you're doing that, but I want to take a look.
And dude, that water is dirty.
So down in here, you still have a little bit more, and we may have to spray it and then get at it. You may have to get it from underneath. It's probably been running rich, which is why it has so much stuff in there. This has the stock jets that came with the car, but we live at 7,600 feet, and it's probably just too rich for our altitude. Alright, you gotta hold this up on the side of the bucket and wipe that off.
Whoopsie.
Alright, look out. Ah, bless you.
Thanks.
Is your brush clean?
Some
Down here. Let's do another shot. Now get up in there. Scrub that throat out. So spray a little bit of carburetor cleaner on a toothbrush, and then that'll help dissolve that. I mean, we think the carb's good. It sort of ran with it. We don't know if the
Yeah.
car needs
It sort of ran. It didn't like.
didn't really run great.
It wanted to die a lot.
Okay, just stay inside there. Don't get the brush wet. Stay inside there and see if you can clean that.
Yeah.
It's not that big of a deal. Yeah, it wouldn't idle right, and then when we tried to test drive it, it wouldn't rev. So it just, I think between the timing, it may have some valves that aren't adjusted correctly too. It feels like it has a miss. So I'm gonna check the valves, and then we're also gonna check the spark plugs. You just don't know. Somebody might have gapped the spark plug too wide, or it might have a dead plug in it. It doesn't seem like it's missing all the time, but it's hard to tell.
And dip it.
Yeah, done. Let's call it good, man. Let's get this thing back together. I don't want to spend another hour cleaning on this.
Yeah.